Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1x24 diecast model of 2018 Ford Mustang by Motormax. So if you want to buy this model, you can get this for 1199 rupees or nearly $10. So if you want to buy this, I'll put that link in the description. So if you're not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So let's get started. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.